A teacher's strictness, a priceless blessing. In a large and beautiful city, there was a well-known and prestigious school. This school was famous far and wide for its excellent education and exceptional discipline. The environment there was such that once children entered the school, their behavior, attitude, and even their dreams began to improve. At this school, there was a teacher named Sir Matthew. He was experienced, wise, and a firm believer in discipline. His face bore the light of seriousness, and in his eyes was the pain and concern that a father feels for his son. But he didn't teach with sweet words. Instead, he taught through strictness and strong principles. Whenever he entered the classroom, silence would fall. Students would sit up straight, books would open, and pencils would begin to dance across the paper. No one dared to joke around or come unprepared. Yet behind every scolding was a silent prayer, and behind every punishment lay a brighter future. But then, time took a turn. Some parents began to complain. "Sir Matthew is too strict. Our children are scared of him. They've lost interest in learning. We want our children to be taught with love, not fear." Under pressure, the school administration removed Sir Matthew. His heart was deeply hurt, but he left silently. He didn't complain, didn't say a word, just lowered his eyes and left with prayers on his lips. A new teacher came in, Sir Smith, extremely polite, always smiling, gentle in speech and kind in tone. He treated students like friends. Strictness? That was nowhere to be found. He wouldn't even raise his voice. In the beginning, the students were thrilled. They told each other, "Now no one will scold us." If a student missed homework, Sir Smith would smile and say, "It's okay, dear, just do it tomorrow." Gradually, things began to change. Children got more absorbed in play. Lessons remained in books, never reaching their minds. Fights increased. Respect disappeared. The honor once given to teachers, born from a balance of fear and love, became nothing but a joke. The school, once a model of discipline, had now become a battlefield. Now those same parents who had once called Sir Matthew too strict came to the school office in tears. "Our children have gone astray. They have no sense of education, no respect for their teachers." That's when a decision was made. Bring Sir Matthew back. When he returned, the children quietly stood up. The sound of his footsteps echoed in their hearts. There was a strange light in his eyes, the kind of light only found in true teachers. He entered the classroom silently, looked at the children, and said nothing. But from that day on, the students began to change. Books began to open again. Punctuality returned. Respect for teachers became a matter of honor again. It is said that once a king sent his son to a school. Tied to the boy was a silver tablet inscribed in gold. A teacher's strictness is better than a teacher's affection. Why? Because affection brings momentary happiness, but strictness shapes your entire life. So, dear friends, this story teaches us there's a hidden sweetness in a teacher's scolding that bears fruit in time. A teacher's harsh tone shields you from the harsh sun of life. Don't fear their discipline. They are the guardians of your dreams.